guys. So it's day 5, Morocco. We're headed to Ifran. We're heading up in the mountains, you know. Dope area, man. You see? Sun's just glaring right now, though. So let me give you guys some crazy visuals. I can already tell this area is beautiful right now. It's like a 3-hour drive there from Kenisa, where we're staying. See my wife and her job. So yeah, just stay tuned with me. Update you guys through the video. So I hope you enjoy. Peace. What's going on, everybody? So we made it to the city of Ifran. Alright, we're like north in Morocco. The oxygen is real good up here. To me, it's like an Americanized city. The roofs are kind of like they are in America for the snow. You know, this is like the only city it snows in. Guys, welcome to Ifran. We're gonna sit down right now. We're sitting down. We're at the barbecueros. We're gonna sit down and order. And this is like a tourist area. I guess it's like the oxygen is very good up here. There's a lot of athletes up here. It's a good vacation spot, so it's a good place to have your camera on, you know. There's a bunch of meats hanging on the walls and a bunch of grilling and steaming of chicken going on. I'm gonna get some of that with you guys, but yeah, this is Ifran. I'm gonna get some more of the mountains and stuff later. It does snow up here, so the houses are more like Americanized with the triangle top, so this is like a big tourist spot for like the locals because they're not used to the shapes and sizes of the houses. But me, this is probably the closest part to America that I've been. So yeah, we're gonna eat right now. We're at barbecueros, you know, and I'm gonna show you guys when the grub comes out. And stay tuned. Yeah. That's rabbit, babe.
Yeah.
Explain a little.
This is a rabbit tagine. Okay, I don't know what it is. This is chicken tagine. This is meat tagine.
Meat?
Meat.
What kind of meat? Red meat? This is bug tagine.
This is meat tagine with
the raisins, the prunes. Oh,
yes.
okay.
This is kafta tagine, you know, meatball.
Got that, like the meatball and egg? Okay. They got some paninis, taco shawarma, Oh, there goes the Morocco food, some burgers. Yes. Flip the page, honey. Oh, pizza.
سوري ماما قالت لكش ما تخافش من الماكله وكان الناس كلهم تياكلوا لا قالت لكش ما نخافش من الماكله
Getting chicken panini. This is my wife's dish right here. Some rice, some fries. I should have ordered this. It's chicken and beef? Yeah, checking in, so we just had that amazing, oh my god, that meat is cooked to perfection. I've been showing you all the meat around. How was it, bro? Like
Very good, I like it.
Yeah, we ate with the family out. Now we're just out. Oh yeah, me and my baby got some glasses. How you like it? Huh? You know? Have to get Ray-Bans real quick. Baby, show them Prada. The hijab's in the way, babe. Perfect, you look beautiful. So yeah, we're gonna roll around the city of Ifran a little more. You know, I'm gonna show you guys what I mean about how you can kind of relate this from what I've been showing you guys to Boston and like the inner city on the East Coast. You know, so yeah, just stay tuned. Peace. Yeah, going down.
Said monkey should be here. They're hiding. I don't know.
Oh yeah, the mountains of Ifran. And I was told we're here with like, there's some mountain monkeys I guess around here. We're looking for them right now. They should be coming out shortly. They see people, they come out, you know? They're hiding. You're gonna get one of them. Come out, buddy. Come out, buddy. Monkey. I'm looking for some monkeys, man. So unfortunately, the monkeys got like a little building going on, but we don't seem to see any, man. I'm definitely trying to see one of these little guys. All these rocks up here, they got something going on here. Found one of these guys. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. It's two of you. Oh yeah. Big primates. Looks like they're feeding right now. We guys eat it. Oh, three of them. Uh-oh, he sees you. He's looking. He's looking. He's coming. Hey, look, baby, look it. Look on my camera.
What? Wow, big. What is it?
Hi, monkey. Oh, and we're not even in the zoo. Huh? Monkey. Hi, monkey. Dang, he's big. Baby.
I don't want to.
Hey, he takes it out your head. Big monkey. Monkey good? Huh?
You're gonna take the voice, right?
What?
Amel, أعطيته لويس.
He takes it from your head?
Yes. I want to see that.
Hey.
Oh no!
Hey.
Give me my bag.
Hey, give me the monkey. Hey, monkey. Give me the bag back, monkey. Monkey. Monkey here. Okay. Hey, here. Monkey here. Why you take her bag, monkey?
Monkey.
He took the whole bag from my mouth. Hey, you get no more food. You greedy. Hey, monkey. Hey, he's greedy.
Ask Mama for cookies. Mama.
I want to grab the peanuts back.
I go ahead, play.
Grab the peanuts?
Yeah. You gonna scratch your face?
Oh, yeah?
Why? علاش يا ماما؟
They're wild. Make sure you get
خفت على مالك مسكين.
Miskin monkey, one eye.
مسكين.
Oh, banana. Let me see. Oh, banana monkey. Let me see.
والله لا تعرف
Banana. Oh, look at, he's gonna attack him. Uh-huh. He takes it from your hand. He scratches you.
No, just don't. Just smoothly, yeah. Go ahead, right?
Monkey, you greedy monkey. Huh? Oh, he's miskin. This monkey over here, he's chasing him away. Yo, what's going on? So that was day 5 of Morocco. Don't want to fit bad. I'm just feeling myself a little bit, you know. I'm turning Moroccan slowly but surely. It's bad enough I look like French Montana, you know. So yeah, that was day 5, man. As you can see, beautiful cities, man. Beautiful landscape, beautiful mountains, breath of fresh air. Golly, good food. You know, you see the meats, they have whole cow legs just hanging up. They got fresh meat outside. You know, it was a great restaurant we ate at. Good tourist spot. So I didn't feel too uncomfortable having the camera out. And yeah, the monkeys was crazy. You know, the monkeys was snatching people's food. They were just, it's unreal, man. It's like, I had to get over the fact that I wasn't in a zoo, you know? Like wild monkeys, when do you ever get that? Up close, with no zookeeper, no nothing. That was wild, man. That was probably my favorite part. So that's definitely gonna be a good one for you guys. So yeah, man. Tomorrow, we're headed to Marrakesh, as you say. My wife's family, a cousin of hers, he's getting married, and they're gonna celebrate circumcision for their child. So I'm gonna be having a 5-6 hour train ride over there to Marrakesh. That's gonna be dope. I'm gonna get a lot of footage there. I'm gonna show you how the Moroccan style weddings go. So yeah, for that, that's day 5, 40 days, 40 nights in Morocco. And stay tuned with me, y'all. Peace.